Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a list of your Coinbase accounts or wallets, along with retrieving a specific account. So please watch my previous tutorial on how to build your JWT token, since we are going to need the bearer tokens for both of these functions. Now, to get a list of all of your accounts, you would use function in line 125, and the only parameter for this function is limit, which is the number of accounts to display. So by default, it displays 49, and the maximum number is 250. Now, to start off with, we're going to need to create a base URL, an endpoint, and a method. For all of these functions, the base URL will remain unchanged. The endpoint in this case will be accounts, and the method we're going to be using is a GET request. Afterwards, we're going to need to generate our bearer token, where we pass in our API key, our private key, the method, and endpoint. We're going to create the request by passing in our base URL, adding the endpoint, adding our headers, which includes our bearer token that we have just created. We're going to add the request method and the URL query, which in this case is just our limit. After we create our request, we're going to use request perform and get a response, close all connections, and if the page status code is 200, we're going to extract the content, and we're going to be returning all of our content as a data frame. Otherwise, if the page status code was not 200, it's just going to return null. Once you get a list of all of your accounts, you can use it to locate a specific wallet, extract the ID, and similar to this function, you can request information on a specific account by passing that ID. So if we open up this function, again, we're going to start off with our base URL. The endpoint changes to accounts and account ID. The method remains a GET request. We're going to generate our bearer token, create the request, similar to the function above, submit it, close all connections, and again, if the page status code is 200, we're going to extract the content and return it as a data frame. So we're going to open up a new script here. We're going to source all of our functions from this previous script, and we're going to test both of these functions. So first, we're going to run line 5, and if we take a look at all of our accounts, this is what the data should look like. So we have a total of 15 columns. Now for the next function, you can copy one of these IDs for any account that you want to get data for. And back in our script, you would just add the ID as a string in the parameter field. And if we submit that and take a look at account, we are able to retrieve that specific account only. So that's pretty much how you retrieve your accounts via the Coinbase API. So I'll go ahead and leave a link down in the description area to my Patreon where you can find the script. Please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.